Okay, here we're demonstrating the inside of the compressor cylinders with the pistons, because it's a common problem we have here. We have a piston hitting up against the wall of the cylinder, which makes strange noise when the compressor is functioning. So here we took an old compressor and took the compressor head in order to utilize it on another compressor that had the problem we just described. So here we stripped it. As you notice in the cylinders, there can be rings there. They can be thinner sometimes and then cause the strange noise. And now here we have a compressor that is complete and working.